Namaste children, myself Deepak Kumar, teacher of social science. Dear students, I hope you all might have enjoyed summer vacation with precautions. You have got relaxed and relief from study for few days. Now I hope children, you all are refreshed and active again to join e-learning platform through which teaching and learning process is going on right now. Now students, we are going to discuss rest part of the syllabus. Children, we have already completed chapter 1 and chapter 2. We had been discussing chapter 3, celebrating our diversity before the summer vacation. Children, I would like to discuss chapter 3, celebrating our diversity. Children, I would like to recapitulate and revise chapter 3 once again. Dear students, you know what is the meaning of diversity? You know children, the meaning of diversity is विविधता, अनेकता, बहुत सारे अंतर. That is the meaning of diversity. You all know children, India is a vast country. India is a big country. People of different religions, languages, food habits reside here, or we can say live here. We have different types of dance, music, festivals, dress, food habits, etc. This is the beauty of our rich culture, tradition. It brings glory to our life. Dear students, in this chapter, you know, a DAB school had organized inter-house celebration. DAB has organized what? Inter-house celebration. And children, the theme of the celebration is the Indian culture. What is the theme of the celebration? The Indian culture. Children, the 6 houses of the school highlighted the unique diversity of the country. They have selected some special occasions that are celebrated in different parts of our country. The students collected information from different sources to make this program a great success. They put their best efforts to prepare script, costumes, posters, stage properties, etc. for their splendid performance. Children, the program was inaugurated with the lighting of lamp by the chief guest. The principal delivered welcome speech. Now, we shall discuss about Ganesh Chaturthi. Children, which was presented by Hans Raj House. Ganesh Chaturthi, this was presented by Hans Raj House. Children, you all know about Lord Ganesha. You all know about Lord Ganesha, na? You speak sometimes, मेरे Lord Ganesha रखना खुश हमेशा. Children, this festival is dedicated to the birth of Lord Ganesha. This is dedicated to the birth of Lord Ganesha, who is known as the god of good beginning, knowledge, success, and wisdom, and remover of all obstacles. विघ्न विनाशक भी इन्हें कहते हैं. This festival is celebrated in the month of August or September. It is mainly celebrated in Maharashtra and South India. This festival is mainly celebrated in Maharashtra and South India. In children, the curtain rose to show people buying idols of Ganpati. Idols का मतलब होता है मूर्ति. गणेश की मूर्ति खरीदते हैं लोग. It was worshipped with kumkum, flowers, fruits and sweets. It was worshipped with the kumkum, flowers, fruits and sweets. After the celebration, the images were taken out with a procession. The images were taken out with a procession for Visarjan after a few days. Children, the great freedom fighter. You know the name of the great freedom fighter. The name of the great freedom fighter is Sri Bal Gangadhar Tilak, who had made this Ganesh Utsav a public celebration by inculcating a pride of Indian culture, music, poetry, and dance. So we can say that Lokmanya Bal Gangadhar Tilak had given too much importance to this Ganesh Chaturthi. Children, after the celebration Ganesh Chaturthi, now we are going to discuss about the presentation of Dayanand House. And the theme of the Dayanand House is what? Navratri. Children, you all celebrate Navratri. This is a great festival of Hindus. Children, you all know that Navratri is celebrated for 9 days, in which Goddess Durga is worshipped. We worship Goddess Durga in the Navratri. This period is considered an auspicious time. This period is considered as an auspicious time. Auspicious का मतलब होता है शुभ, अच्छा समय, शुभ मुहूर्त. Like to start new ventures. किसी भी काम को, नए काम को शुरू करने का सबसे अच्छा समय, मुहूर्त या शुभ समय हम कह सकते हैं. Children, it is celebrated twice a year. It is celebrated twice a year. Especially in West Bengal, Durga Puja is celebrated in Puja Pandals. In West Bengal, Durga Puja is celebrated in Puja Pandals. Children, you all know that after celebration, the beautifully decorated idols are taken in a procession and immersed in a pond or river. इसे हम कहते हैं मूर्ति विसर्जन करना. Children, in northern India, Navratri and Durga Puja are celebrated as Dasahara. It is celebrated to show the victory of good over evil. It is marked to show the victory of good over evil. मतलब इसका मतलब हुआ बुराई पर अच्छाई की जीत. Now the next presentation was carried out by Vivekanand House. The next presentation was carried on by Vivekanand House, and the theme of Vivekanand House was what? Eid ul Fitr. Eid ul Fitr. Children, you know this festival is celebrated by Muslims. This festival is celebrated by Muslims at the end of Ramadan. Children, it is a day of joy and thanksgiving. It is a day of what? Joy. Joy means खुशी. और thanksgiving मतलब एक दूसरे को मुबारकबाद देना. It is a day of joy and thanksgiving. It is also a day of forgetting and forgiving ill feelings towards others. It means that it is also a day of forgetting and forgiving ill feelings towards other. का मतलब जितने भी हमारे पुराने गीले शिकवे हैं, जो शिकायतें, उसे दूर करके और नए जोश और उमंग के साथ जीना. Children, you know that it is also a day of forgetting and forgiving ill feelings towards others. Now children, we are going to discuss about Onam. We are going to discuss about Onam, which is known as the Carnival of Kerala, and it was presented by Gandhi House. Who has presented this Carnival of Kerala, Onam? It was presented by Gandhi House. Children, you all know that Onam is the harvest festival of Kerala. It is the harvest festival of Kerala. It marks the homecoming of the legendary king Mahabali. It marks the homecoming of the legendary king Mahabali, and it is celebrated in the beginning of the month of Chingam. It is celebrated in the beginning of the month of Chingam, the first month of Malayalam. This is the first month of Malayalam calendar. On this day, children, they wear new clothes and prepare delicious food. The snake boat races and famous Kathakali dance attract thousands of tourists of Kerala. Children, you might have heard the name of the dance Kathakali. You know that Kathakali dance is a very popular dance, very famous dance of what? Kerala. And you know the snake boat race of Kerala is also famous. Many tourists go there to see these boat races and dance. Now children, let us discuss about Nowruz. What we are going to discuss? We shall discuss about Nowruz. Children, who presented this Nowruz? Nowruz was presented by Sarojini House. Children, it was presented by whom? It was presented by Sarojini House. Children, Jamshid-e Nowroz is a Parsi New Year. It is celebrated on the first day of the month of Shahnashahi calendar, which is followed by followers of Zoroastrian faith. The festival celebrates rejuvenation and rebirth. It celebrates rejuvenation and rebirth. Children, Parsis clean and decorate their house on this day. Parsis clean and decorate their house with rangolis and rangolis made of jasmine and rose flowers. Children, I would like to tell you about Parsis. Who are the Parsis? The question is that who are the Parsis? Children, you know that they are a small religious community of India. Who are they? They are a small religious community of India. They arrived in Gujarat region from Iran. From where did they arrive in India? They arrived in India from Iran, and they arrived in Gujarat. In India, they arrived in Gujarat. A major part of Parsi population lives in Mumbai. You know that, children? Major part of population of Parsi lives in Mumbai. They are the follower of Iranian prophet Zoroaster. They are the follower of Iranian prophet Zoroaster. The holy book of Parsi is Zend Avesta. What is the name of the holy book of Parsi? Is Zend Avesta. Like in Hindu religion, children, which is the holy book of the Hindus, like Ramayana, Gita. These books are the holy books. जिसे हम कहते हैं पवित्र ग्रंथ, पवित्र किताबें. So in the same way, children, the holy book of Parsi is Zend Avesta. In the same way, the holy book of Islam is Quran. इसी तरह से children, the holy book of Parsi is Zend Avesta. Children, on Nowroz, the Parsis offer their prayers in a synagogue. On Nowroz, on this day, on this very special day, they offer prayers in a synagogue, the fire temple. They wish Sal Mubarak to each other and exchange gifts. They take special food, very delicious food they prepare, and they take and they welcome their guests with this delicious food. In this way, children, I have discussed that. In this way, children, the special feast of Nowroz includes faluda, saffron pulao, fresh fruits, dry fruits, and a variety of sweets are served on this special occasion of Nowroz. The special feast are also prepared, which is faluda, saffron pulao, fresh fruits, dry fruits, and a variety of seeds. These are the special items which are served on this special day. Children, we can take the name of some great personalities of Parsis also, like Jamshedji Tata. You might have heard the name of Tata. So, Jamshedji Tata, who established Iron and Steel Company in India. At that time, Jamshedpur, we can say Jamshedpur, at that time it was in combined Bihar. But now it has gone to the Jharkhand state. This Iron and Steel Company has gone to the Jharkhand state. In the very beginning, before the partition, before the division of Jharkhand and Bihar, it was in combined Bihar. You might have heard the name of a great scientist, Homi Jahangir Bhabha. He was also a Parsi. And on television, children, you see a very popular leader, Smriti Irani, who is currently minister in central government. So they are some great personalities who belong to Parsi religion. We can cite some examples of these great personalities. Children, In this way, I have discussed about Ganesh Chaturthi, which is a very popular festival, very famous festival in some states of India. People celebrate it with devotion and enjoy. Children, you see the idol of Lord Ganesha in front of every Hindu temple. You see in every Hindu temple the statue of Lord Ganesha. Lord Ganesha is worshipped by us on every auspicious or religious occasion. We have come to know about also the importance of Navratri. In Gujarat, children, it is celebrated with Garba and Dandiya Ras. In Gujarat, it is celebrated with Garba and Dandiya Ras. You might have heard the name of Garba dance and Dandiya Ras. On this occasion, the girls wear ghagra, orni, etc. and the boys wear kurta pajama or dhoti kurta, and they dance with each other. Whole night they enjoy in this Navratri. It is a very popular festival, especially which is celebrated in Gujarat, children. The whole family members enjoy this festival. They enjoy it with great pomp and show, with zeal and enthusiasm they enjoy. In some places, people worship young girls as goddess Durga and offer them puri, halwa, chana and other gifts also. In South Indian states like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka and Andhra Pradesh, Navratri is celebrated as Bombay Kolu when they decorate their home with dolls. We also celebrate Navratri and Durga Puja with joy. In our state, Bihar also, we celebrate Durga Puja and Navratri with pomp and show. We all children go to see the temples or the pandals, puja pandals. We all go to worship in pandal. We enjoy with so many food like jalebi and other items. Children wear new clothes and they enjoy in this festival. We have discussed about Eid al-Fitr also, children. We have discussed about Eid al-Fitr, which is a great festival of Muslims. You know that, children, we say this festival as Eid also. Recently, our Muslim communities have celebrated this festival few days ago, Eid. It is a great festival of Muslims. It is a very pious festival of Muslim children. You know, children, this festival is celebrated at the end of Ramadan. This festival is celebrated at the end of Ramadan. Ramadan is a month of long fasting. It is a month of long fasting, almost 1 month fasting, when Muslims offer salat. Salat means prayers. Prayers means prarthana. And recite Quran. Follow good behavior during this Ramadan, children. They follow good behavior and donate for the needy. They help the poor people. They help whom? The poor and needy people. You all know that, children, in our society there are so many people who are poor, who need help or assistance of others. At this pious occasion, auspicious occasion, they donate money and other items to the needy people, and they pray to their God, and the name of their God is Allah, and they recite Quran, which is the holy book of Muslims. We have also discussed about, children, Onam. You know that it is a popular festival of Kerala. We have discussed about what? Onam. Children, it is a popular festival of Kerala. You know that, children? Pullikali tiger dance is a popular features of this Onam festival. Which tiger dance is? Pullikali tiger dance is a popular feature of Onam celebration where hundreds of men dressed as tigers. सैकड़ों की संख्या में लोग टाइगर की तरह कपड़े पहनते हैं एंड डांस टू द बीट ऑफ ड्रम्स, और ड्रम के बीट पर डांस करते हैं. इट टेक्स 4 hours to paint and decorate each person to look like a lion. So you can see, children, it takes 4 hours to paint and decorate each person to look like a lion. So they look like a lion. So it is so times taking, children, that the 4 hours it takes to paint and decorate them so that the person should look like a lion. And children, this festival, this tiger dance is a very Pullu Kali tiger dance is a very popular feature of this Onam celebration. And the best dancer and decorated lion men are awarded prizes. In this way, children, in this tiger dance, whosoever will be the best dancer and whom they decorated well, that person or that man will be awarded with prizes and surprises. That is the beauty of, that is the main feature of the Onam festival. Children, in this way, I have discussed the chapter. Left part of the chapter will be discussed in my next class, children. That's all for the day. Thank you, children.